facing all the way around? Alright. Alright. What are you doing? Dude. What are you doing?
What the heck?
What are you doing?
Dude, what the heck?
What?
Why would you do that?
Why are you saying what?
Did you spill all of that guy?
Yeah. He burned my patch.
He burned your patch?
Yeah.
He's a little kid, bro.
No! Back up!
Little kid. Hey, you need to call the cops or something, dude.
Want me to walk off?
Yeah, get off. I need to talk to you.
Uh-oh.
Walk away! Walk away! Walk away! Walk away! You shot my guy first, he shot you back. Walk away. Walk away, dude!
That's literally the name of the game. There's
Why did you say sorry then?
Okay,
thank you.
Why did you say sorry then?
Yeah, and I did
That was
apologize.
fucked up, right?
I
Okay.
apologize
So
for
it's
calling
fucked
the
up, right?
fence. So it doesn't need to be any further than that, huh?
Come on, guys.
It was, though.
Hey.
Good? Shake your hand.
Good?
Yeah.
All right, man. Cool.
Good.
All right.
Hey, you guys think you all could run up on me, though, huh? Huh?
That was good,
I
man.
can take it or what?
No,
That was
you
good.
got it, man. You got it.
You got
I
this.
can take more, too.
You got it, dude. There you go.
There we go.
Fuck yeah, man.
Whatever you want
That's
to
what
do.
it's all about.
Shake it off. Just stuff happens.
Let it go, man. Just let it go.
Let it
I
go.
can take 10 motherfuckers shooting. Let's do it.
Yeah, dude.
You know?
There we go. That's it.
You want to point blank me, then fuck you.
Fight over here? No, hey.
No, we're
Hey,
good. It's good.
dude,
We got it.
there's no minimum engagement distance here. So I mean, I could be right here and shoot you.
Yeah, but
It's
it's
really-
all about respect, bro.
I agree.
All the way, doesn't like go on my fucking back? Right on my fucking lower back,
Dude,
bro?
You
Look at
bro, you full.
Oh.
Look at, bro.
He opened
That
up.
was.
That's where he fucking shot me, bro.
Hey, it's hey.
You wanna see it?
Hey.
Autoed my friend in the face.
You're
What?
what?
Hey, he opened
I'll
up
fucking
as he was
smash you in
walking
your
away.
fucking face,
Full
man.
auto on my buddy.
You're fighting like
Hey.
a little fucking kid, huh?
Shoot me
You're
when
the
the game
little
is
fucking
alive.
kid.
Hey.
Touch me.
Hey,
Touch me.
Hey, dude, chill the fuck out.
You got a really identifying tattoo right there on your neck, dude.
I don't give a
You
fuck.
sure you want to start
You know where I'm
swinging?
from? I'm Sureño right here, motherfucker.
Okay.
You wanna fuck with me? Huh? You'll die in a second, bro.
Hey, come on.
calm down.
Let's calm down, guys.
Yeah, you remember the tattoo. Remember it all.
Can we get him
Hey,
out?
let's go.
Remember it.
Let's calm down.
Can we
Field,
go?
guys.
Fuck this motherfucker right here, little kid.
I shot you 3 times in the back.
3
during
times, show me
gameplay.
20 times, motherfucker.
There's 3 marks
Hey,
there.
fucking kid.
There's 3 marks on your back.
That's my son. Don't fucking touch him.
Hey, you're
Don't
gonna
you
do this
touch
in
my
front of your
son.
son.
Hey, guys. Come on.
Don't you try and touch him, motherfucker.
I'm not.
Hey, I'm the one who pointed the gun at you because I was being funny. Fuck you,
Hey,
motherfucker.
Dude, nice
Get out of
example.
his
Calm
face.
down.
Get out of his face.
Put the
Fuck
Put
you,
your
man.
mask back
Fucking
on.
mask
Put your
back
mask
on.
on,
Mask
buddy.
back on. I'm not a kid.
Neither am I. I'm 30
Take it
fucking
off.
years old.
I'm
I'm
40.
Good.
Guys,
Good. Play.
Yeah,
I came here to
exactly.
play.
Exactly.
Okay.
I'm the guy who
Okay.
can say.
You gotta start
Man,
being
I'm
away.
the guy who shook
I know.
your
So am
hand.
I.
This
Okay,
is
I
how
want to
you
take
feel.
you acting like a fucking bitch and pointing at me. Why?
I want
something to
to
stop
all you
him.
guys walk away and he'll
Huh? I will.
That's my guy.
Fuck your guy.
Hey, hey. Off the field, please.
Hey, if you walk away, he'll stop.
Motherfucker.
I'm sorry. Hey, I'm sorry.
Guys,
Hey, all of them are shooting me. All of them. All fucking 20 of these little bitches.
we're on the opposing team.
Oh, let's go.
You motherfucker. This is our respawn! You cannot attack our respawn! This is our respawn! White line, white line! What's up?
Bro, you're out. Hey! Rah! Come on, dude. Just call the hit. Call the hit, bro. Call the hit. You need to start calling your hits. Seriously. Excuse me? Are you fucking kidding me right now? Yeah, fucking shoot me again! Hey, rah! Rah!
Hey, hey. You guys. Stop. Come. Stop. Hey, stop. Motherfucker. Stop. Fuck you. Fuck you, you son of a bitch. Blind man. Fuck you. Hey, calm down. No, you let me. Hey, calm down. Calm down. You son of a bitch. Calm down. Hey, calm down. Calm down. Stop. Hey, stop. Stop. Back the fuck up. Hey, stop. Everyone stop. Stop. Hey, look over him. He's fucking a minor. Cut it out. He hit my fucking neck. Okay, relax. Everyone calm down. Please step outside the vest. Come on, don't make it right. He just attacked a fucking 14-year-old! What the fuck did this motherfucker? Come get me, motherfucker! Hey, come get me, you fucking bitch! Hey, come on, bitch! Come get me, motherfucker! Who the fuck wants to fight? Who wants to fuck you, motherfucker? Everyone calm down. Hey, fuck that! Let's go, motherfucker! Who wants to square up? Let's go! God, it's just going down, dude. Hey, you heard my son! You heard my fucking son! Everyone calm down. Darius, get up, Darius. Walk. Go. Walk out. People tripping.
Dude, nice example.
Hey,
calm down.
Get out of his face.
Put the sock. Put your mask back on. Put your mask on. Neither am I. I'm 30 fucking years old. Good. Guys, I'm going off the field.
Yeah, exactly. I'm the guy that came in and shook your hand, man.
You just walked away.
I'm the guy that shook your hand.
Okay, I want to take it down like a fucking bitch and point at me. Why? I want somebody to stop me. All you guys walk away and
I will.
That's my guy.
Fuck your guy.
Hey, off the field, please.
Hey, if you walk away, he'll stop. I'm sorry.
Hey,
all of them are shooting me. All of them. All fucking 20 of these little bitches.
we're on the opposing team.
Let's go.
You motherfucker.
This is our respawn! You cannot attack our respawn!
All the way around? Alright. What are you doing? What are you doing? What the heck? What are you doing?
Dude, what the heck?
What?
Why are you saying what?
Did you spill all of that guy?
Yeah. He burned my patch.
He burned your patch?
Yeah.
He's a little kid, bro.
No! Back up!
Little kid. Hey, you need to call the cops or something, dude.
Want me to walk off?
Yeah, get off. I need to talk to you. Hey, dude, don't even. Walk away.
Uh-oh.
On my fucking back? Right on my fucking lower back, bro? Bro, you fall.
Oh!
Look at, bro.
He opened
That
up.
was...
That's where he fucking shot me, bro.
Hey, hey.
You wanna see it?
Hey.
Autoed my friend in the face right now. You're
What?
Hey, he opened
I'll
up
fucking
as you
smash
were
you in your
walking away.
fucking face,
Full
man.
auto on my buddy.
You're probably like
Hey.
a little fucking kid, huh? You're the
game
little
goes
fucking
on.
kid.
Hey.
Touch me.
Hey,
Touch me.
Hey, dude, chill the fuck out.
You got a really identifying tattoo right there on your neck, dude.
I don't give a
You sure you
fuck.
wanna start
You know where I'm
swinging?
from? I'm Sureño right here, motherfucker.
Okay.
You wanna fuck with me? Huh? You'll die in a second, bro.
Hey, come on.
Calm down.
Let's calm down, guys.
Yeah, you remember the tattoo. Remember it all.
Can we get him
Hey,
out
let's
of
go.
here?
Remember
Let's
it.
calm down.
Can we
Go
go,
fuck this motherfucker right here, little kid.
I shot you 3 times in the back.
3
during
times, show me
gameplay.
20 times, motherfucker.
There's 3 marks
Hey,
there.
fucking kid.
There's 3 marks on your back.
That's my son. Don't fucking touch him.
You're gonna do this
touch
in
my
front of your
son.
son.
Hey, guys. Come on.
Don't you try and touch him, motherfucker.
I'm not.
Hey, I'm the one who pointed the gun at you because I was being funny. Fuck you,
Hey.
Fuck
shot my guy first. He shot you back. Walk away.
Walk away,
That's
dude.
literally the name of the game. There's
Walk
no
away.
way.
You say sorry then.
I shot
Okay,
you
thank
right
you.
in
You
the
say
back.
sorry then.
Yeah, and I did
So
apologize.
it's fucked up, right?
I
Okay.
apologize
So
for
it's
calling
fucked up,
the
right?
fence. So it doesn't need to be any further than that, huh?
Come on, guys.
It was though.
Hey.
Good. Shake your hand. Good.
Yeah.
All right, man. Cool. Good.
Hey, you guys think you all could run up on me though, huh? Huh?
That was good,
I
man.
can take it or what?
No,
was
you
good.
got it, man. You got it.
You got
I
this.
can take more too.
You got it, dude. There you go.
There we go.
Fuck yeah, man.
Whatever you want
That's what
to
it's
do.
all about.
Shake it off. Just stuff happens.
Let it go, man. Just let it go.
Let it
I
go.
can take 10 motherfuckers shooting. Let's do it.
Yeah, dude.
You know?
There we go. That's
What?
it.
You want to point blank me, then fuck you.
Fight over here?
No, hey.
No, we're
Hey,
good. It's good.
Dude,
We got it.
there's no minimum engagement distance here. So I mean, I could be right here and shoot you.
Yeah, but
It's
it's
really-
all about respect,
I
bro.
agree. I agree.
He just like all the way, doesn't let go.
This is our respawn. White line, white line.
Bro, you're out. Hey! Rah! Come on, dude. Just call the hit. Call the hit, bro. Call the hit. Dude, you need to start calling your hits. Seriously. Excuse me? Are you fucking kidding me right now? Yeah, fucking shoot me again! Hey, Rah! Rah!